Hypnotix. Have you ever heard of Hypnotix? Oh my God. Hypnotix is awesome. So Hypnotix. It's a it's TV over IP. Um, and it's weird. It's really weird. Let's boot it up here. Okay, this is Hypnotix. It's free TV. It's exactly that. It's free TV. Okay, what do we got here? TV channels. Click on TV channels. And you can select what country you want to view from. Um, a lot of it's free, but there's always a catch, right? If it's free, you can't complain about it. So if you want to watch a station and it's not broadcasting, because there might be some restrictions, who knows? So let's just pick one here. Turkey. I was on Turkey anyway. So we're on Turkey. And they have all these channels, and you just click on them and you can see what is what's playing on it. And sometimes it's nothing. Oh, there we are. Yeah, we got news coming from Turkey. What are you doing? Oh, this is that explosion. Oh my God! It's when the U.S. just bombed the hell out of this boat because they thought it was carrying drugs. And Trump announces new deadly attack on alleged drug smuggling boat. That's hilarious. Anyway, that came from Turkey. Nice. You can watch anything from. Oh, let's see what's going on in Korea. So Korea here, let's click on that, see what's happening in Korea. So Hypnotic sometimes it's a time killer. I'm just gonna tell you, it's just a time killer, but it's fun. So TV, you can watch TV. You can watch movies. Here, where you got Spanish movies, American movies, English entertainment movies, Italian movies, and you don't get to pick a movie on these. You don't. You just, whatever this channel is broadcasting at the moment that you're watching it is what you get. So this is Pluto. Black Cinema Staff 70, so 70, so go into 70. Whatever's playing, it's kind of cool. So we don't even know what the movie's called sometimes. There might be nothing playing right now. There's nothing. So this channel on Pluto TV isn't sending you anything. So this is Flicks of Fury. I don't even know what the movie's called. Doesn't say. It might be in a different language. Who knows? It's all exciting stuff. Yeah, okay. So that's kind of cool. That's Hypnotix. And Hypnotix comes pre-installed on Linux Mint, and it's I think it's a good thing because you know what? You want to see what's happening in the rest of the world. You can't trust the news, the local news. So maybe you just go to the source from a different language, get it translated for you. Who knows?